Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing the Create mod and I am going to be teaching you how to make a simple train using Create. First, what you've got to do is grab your materials. So, what you need is a train station, train tracks, train casing, train controls, a building block, and super glue. First, what you have to do is you right click on the track with the train station so it shows this, then you place it somewhere. Secondly, what you do is you go into the train station where you can change the name of it, so I'm just going to change it to Simple Station. Now what you have to do is you need to click Create New Train and you click Close Window. Now what you have to do is you get your train casing and you right click on the blue part on the train tracks. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to join these two up together and build using your building blocks, attach them and make a train however size and shape you want. Then what you want to do is place train controls on your train and use the super glue to glue the train controls to the buggy, and then you use glue to attach it all together like that. Now what you have to do is that you will see there is a blue flag on your train station. You click on that again, you click Assemble Train, and then you can use it. Also, if you don't want to fall off, you can add a seat or automate it, which I will talk about in the next video. For now, see you guys. Thanks again. All right.